API security is protecting the application programming interface. The API itself is really a connective tissue in so many ways to virtually every IT system today. So, for example, Akamai research estimates that 83% of all internet traffic is initiated with an API call. Internet of Things, IoT devices utilize APIs. APIs are connective tissue that allow two systems to talk to each other, regardless of how those systems were originally developed. So securing that API is vitally important because we see APIs everywhere, from mobile applications to devices. And because it's everywhere, the surface that we have to protect is inside the mobile phone, it's in our computers, it's on our websites, it's in our infrastructure. So it's a really important aspect of cybersecurity for really any company. Definitely over the last 2 and 3 years, there's been a number of data breaches related to API security exposures, and there are companies who've come out with solutions that focus on parts of an API security problem. Their source code quality matters tremendously, as do perimeter and network defenses. Those defenses matter, as well as like authentication and authorization and how we manage identities on APIs. All of those things matter, and I think what Noname really brings to the table that's very different is a platform view of the API that looks at all aspects of an API, its design, its health in production, working with developers and testing those APIs prior to release, all the way through then identifying API threats as they occur in the network. So I think that's really the change, is that the market did not have a company that was looking at the entirety of the API as a lifecycle asset, and that's what we really differentiate ourselves with. We integrate the testing engine with virtually every commercial or open source CI/CD pipeline platform, but the development and the security teams really have two patterns of implementation. The security teams can set policy so that when developers check in, check out code, or when code progresses from some stage to stage, the testing scenarios are, the testing engine runs as a pre-check on before software is committed, or as a pre-check before software is progressed to production. Let's take a financial services organization, for example. Their applications are really now driving revenue. So they're giving their customers new products and new services through their mobile applications or their online banking channels. And because they're using APIs to do that, we think of API security as securing a company's revenue stream. Because when a company is making itself its services and available revenue streams, then the security of that API, the precision and the integrity of that data is extremely important. So let's say in a banking environment, the integrity of the customer checking their bank balance, or the integrity of the customer applying for a loan. That's highly sensitive data, and it's extremely important to the financial institutions, because we're not in a place anymore where we always walk into a branch bank to apply for a loan. We can do it on our mobile phone now. So if an organization is going to capitalize on digital transformation technologies, what they're doing is they're shifting their point of sale and their interaction with the customer to that online channel. And because of that, it becomes exceptionally important that channel with the customer has integrity and security.